All right, so today we're going to talk about interior and exterior angles of polygons. And we're going to start out with some vocabulary. So first, some names.
I like how you get all your video voice on. Recording.
I sound exactly like I normally do. Okay, if something... Yeah, it's going to be on YouTube. If something has 5 sides, it's called a pentagon. Shush. 6 sides. Anybody remember what that's called?
Octagon.
Close.
No, it's Octagon.
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
I will give 2 extra credit points to anybody who can tell me what a 7-sided object is.
Pentagon. No.
Gamblegon.
Close. Very close.
That was very close.
If it had...
Heptagon.
Sorry?
Heptagon.
That's right. If it had a...
No, that's cheating. Kyle doesn't get the points, Debbie gets the points.
Nah.
You have 8 points.
I don't even need points.
Cooperate.
I think this one.
Okay, so then next is 8 sides. Octagon, yep. 9 sides.
Shape master. 9 sides something weird.
Nonagon.
No,
10 is a Octagon.
No. No. Well, you keep saying pentagon.
Decagon.
It's
I said
already
ten-
there.
Oh, No, I said pentagon.
I don't think that's right
I
either.
did 5 was
Decagon.
pentagon. That's why I messed up on 7.
And then anything else in general, past 10, there are names for them. Like an 11-sided thing is an undecagon, a 12-sided thing is a dodecagon, a 13-sided thing is a triskaidekagon, but
What's like 100 one?
Just a decagon.
centagon. So in general, anything over 10 sides,
Should we write this down?
yes. Anything over 10 sides. Stop that, Sid. Is called an xgon,
Hexagon. Oh,
where
that's
x is the number of sides.
So 6-agon. No, 12-agon. 13-agon.
Yeah. So if it has like, so 131-sided object. Well, not x. X in this case is whatever the number is.
That's a lot of sides.
131-sided object would be called a 131-gon.
So,
Yeah.
quick, like, if you were to use Roman numerals, would an xgon, could you also call a decagon an xgon?
Yeah, but I didn't use a Roman numeral.
Dang.
Okay, so that's the first part of today's notes. Just making sure that everybody's on the same page as far as number of sides and what their names are. If anything has more than 10 sides, there are names for them, but mathematicians are lazy, and after 10 sides, we decided not to memorize them, and we just call them number of sides gone. So if it's 1,000 sides, it's 1,000 gone. And this was true for me in college too. Like when I took geometric algebra classes in college, it was always, if this is a 18 gone, da 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 da. But there is a name for it. I just don't want to go into it. Okay, so there's that. And then next we're going to talk about the classifying by sides, and then finding some of the interior angles and then some of the exterior angles. So I'm going to start by drawing pentagon. Shush.
What?
Should we draw one too?
Yes, please. So it doesn't have to be a regular pentagon. Like if you notice mine is super irregular, stop. My pentagon here is super irregular, so your pentagon doesn't have to be regular. Just anything with 5 sides counts. Now, I'm going to start by classifying this. To classify it, you use the number of sides. Yeah, that's a pentagon. So if you classify by sides, this is called a pentagon, which is 5 sides. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is talk about the sum of the interior angles. Anybody remember what sum means? Yep. So the sum of the interior angles is going to be the number of sides something has. This is an important formula. Minus 2 times 180. So this has 5 sides. So if you're figuring out the sum of all of these interior angles, I could make you go with a protractor and measure each one and add them up. But I could also just give you this formula. The number of sides would be 5 minus 2 times 180. And as Abel said, 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180,
There's a lot.
like a billion, right?
No,
No.
it's
Right,
like
college.
500 something.
Okay. It's not 460.
480.
No.
520.
Stop. This isn't the Showcase Showdown.
520.
Not
Hold on,
520.
I got this. 3 times 8 is 4.
Done like an auction there.
Yeah, no, it's
Oh,
the
yeah,
Showcase.
no, Russ, go, Russ.
540. 540.
540. Okay.
Then it's a 720.
So, about 5.
The next one would be, so something with 6 sides would be 720
You know
degrees
what?
inside.
You know how I figured that out?
Math?
You added another 180.
Like skateboarding when they do their tricks.
Ah, yeah. Okay. So
yeah, I used to play skateboarding games.
for the next, quiet.
Ty used to just do snowboarding.
I can't wait to watch this and see how crazy you sound just talking to the microphone.
Yeah, I know. Some of the exterior angles for any figure at all. Yeah. For Kyle, close your mouth. For any sided figure, no matter how many sides it has, the sum of all the exterior angles, and the exterior angles are if you were to draw this further out, and this further out, and this further out, if you were to add up all of these exterior angles, it's always going to be equal to 360 degrees, no matter how many sides it has.
Whoa. Oh, that makes sense. I get it now. I get how.
So the sum of the exterior angles, no matter how many sides it has,
Well, I get how it makes sense
Oh,
now.
okay.
It
Three-
is 360 degrees.
yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1,015. No matter how many sides it has, the exterior angle always sum to be 360. All right. Now, I'm gonna have you guys do something on your own here.
Oh no.
I know, I'm excited. I want you to, number 1, draw a hexagon. Number 2, I want you to find the sum of the interior angles. Find the sum of the interior angles. No. Oh wait, what did you say?
720.
Maybe. And then 3, find the sum of the exterior angles. Find the sum of the exterior angles. I'm going to come around and check them. Did you draw the hexagon too? Or are you just raising your hand because you know the answer to the last stick? Okay, good. So 6-sided figure, hexagon. Find the sum of the interior angles. Find the sum of the exterior angles. Good.
Dude, so couldn't find my notes last year.
Oh, there it is. Okay, good. Good, good.
Which might have been last chapter.
Did I check your Oh yeah, I did.
Hey.
Okay, good.
Yeah, you got
Where's the interior angle? That's the sum of it is not.
So what are you doing?
He's being
You're being a doofus. Stop.
good. And then what's the sum of the exterior?
You sound like Jacob.
Good. All right. Okay. So your assignment for today?
Huh?
Shh, 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 shh. Quiet.
Is it a book assignment?
Yes.
Oh no.
Your assignment for today is page 371.
God!
How can I help you?
3 through 17. All right.
I'll do it.
You too!